Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is Queen of Bomb Ass Hair, Alina, and if you've been here before, welcome back. What we're going to talk about today is this hairstyle, quick and easy, only using 2 products. So my hair is wet. I don't have anything in my hair, and this is what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? Just kidding. So I usually like to use some kind of serum in my hair. Today, we're gonna use the Love Oil by SEXYHAIR. We're gonna put a tiny bit, like that much. You can't see, but trust me, it's only a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit on the ends, mostly. You gotta use some kind of hair oil for before blow drying or flat ironing, and this is what I like using. And then you grab your blow dryer. Well, first you make sure your hands are not too oily. If it's too oily, just rub it all over your body. It smells good, so that's all good. Grab the blow dryer. It's on the ground. I wasn't kidding. It was on the ground. So since we're going to be wearing the hair down like this, what I'm going to do is blow dry down, like, because you want the hair to stay down, so that's the direction you're going to blow dry. Easy peasy. I don't know if I mentioned this before or not. I don't use a brush. I do everything. My hair is not that long, so I can just do it using my fingers. So one less thing to use. Brush. But if you have a brush, you want to use a brush, feel free. I'm not gonna judge you, but I'm planning on parting my hair this way, so I'm gonna, when I'm blow drying, kind of do this motion. So let's go. So down and over. We want the back to not be flat, so the back you go up. Okay, we're back. Alright, back to where we were. I'm using a smaller flat iron because if you have straight hair, you may not use flat iron. So that's that. And I'm going to use some kind of hair product too. I like to use the one that has high shine to give it the wet look. So this is what we're going to use. The Hard Up by SEXYHAIR. Oh, not so hard up. It has a 9... It has a 9 shine and 5 hold. That means like it's very shiny but not much hold. So that's what we're put some in. Kind of has like a gel. We're gonna do this. And then like separate it. Twist and separate it. Twist and separate it. I'm just gonna if you need to put more, then put more. I'm thinking about putting some more at the ends. I'm looking down because my mirror is over there.
Just in case you were wondering.
And that's it, actually. Simple. Just like that. I like to have a few pieces in the front like that. There you have it, guys. I only use 2 products for this. You can use hairspray if you want to, but there's no need. It's gonna stay. Actually, you know what? To give it some shine, we're going to use one more product. I love this thing, and I think it smells amazing, and it gives your hair shine. Oh, and then you can wear it all over your body. It smells so good. It's Vibrant Sexy Hair Rose. Got almond oil. It smells amazing. Alright guys, so yeah, we used 3 products, not 2 products today. And these are the 3 products I used. This one I decided to use it because it gives it shine. And these other 2 are the actually styling products. Oh, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Or to like, share this video if you have a friend that you think would love to, has short hair, and you think they should style their hair like this, share it with them. If you have a family member that would like to do this hairstyle, share it with them too. Okay, I'm gonna go answer that because I think, guys, like, okay, bye. Bye, guys. That's my friend blowing up my phone. And